When we need to upload images to a folder online or in a local server, the folder needs to have writing permissions. It means they shouldn't be protected from writing. For example, if I go to my random folder here, this one, I control click and say get info, we can see that there's read and write permissions for the administrator, but not for the others. So in this case, I can in Mac, I can open the writing editing here. I need to log in because I'm making some changes like this, and then I say read and write. I don't know which one actually is the one absolutely necessary, but in order for our code to be able to write and copy content to folders, we need to say read and write. So it means that if I go to my htdocs and I have my music project, so it means that this folder here, if I'm going to upload images to this folder with PHP, I need to make sure, is it get info, that there's reading and writing permissions, otherwise the code will not work. On Windows, you need to find out how to change the permission settings. And then when you upload your PHP project, you will need to do the same thing on the web server to select the folder and change the permissions so it can accept writings.